Hey guys, what's up? It has been like a month, I think. So I'm like, shit, I guess I better pop on there. I got a little baby haircut. My hair's getting long, girl. My hair hasn't been long since I was like a little kid. I think we should unbox this baby. Well, obviously, I've already opened it up. I think we should get ready with it and yeah, let's just do it. So if you don't already know Boxycharm, it comes every month, once a month. I believe it's $25 a month. So I will put the code down below for all this. It comes with this little piece of paper every month. It's always different. And it tells you exactly what comes in the box, how much it originally costs, and where to find it. So that's one thing I really love about this, because I'm like, damn, I'm getting a good deal. And then if I want to repurchase it, I know where to get it. It's like if it's too expensive, I'm like, no, okay. So in this month's box, it looks like there's 5 things. Let's see what's in here. So the first thing I'm seeing right here is a gorgeous blush. Gorgeous. It looks like my backdrop right now, and I am obsessed with this. Next thing in this box is a double-decker lash mascara. Ooh, this is from Butter London. Pretty big, it's huge. The next thing I see in here is 3 eye gel packs. This is from South Maine. It says it reduces puffiness, dark circles, and moisturizes the eye area. Open this baby up. So it comes in a little tray here, and you can see the stuff is like trying to drip all over the place. Put this under my eye. Trying to do this in the camera is kind of difficult. Ooh, it's cold! This one's like way... Did I put them on the wrong eyes? Don't care. You're supposed to leave it on for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Next in this box, I'm seeing some brushes. The Vintage Cosmetic company. I really like this box. It's like vintage, obviously. It's kind of cutesy. Oh, and there's a little 25% off code on the box. That's kind of cool. Oh my god, I can't get this open. Here's what the brushes look like in their little packages. They're really soft brushes. We have a palette. Yay! Her Cosmetics has become like one of my favorite companies. These are the colors. A lot of warm tones in there. It looks super pretty. They look super pretty and super creamy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my brows and I will be right back. So these are the brushes I got in my Boxycharm a few months ago, and I use them daily. Like this one I'm about to use for my brows. It's so flat and defined. I'm gonna try to use just like all Boxycharm products as much as I can anyways. So I'm gonna use this brush. And I'm going to take some concealer under my brows. And I am using a darker concealer because I've been tanning my body. So my foundation is going to be darker too. So just FYI. And I like to take this brush and flick it up to kind of make it look a little more natural. Like as if hairs were kind of placed there. And I also use this brow pencil that I got in my Boxycharm from Cosmetics. That's what I use to fill it in. So if I mess up a little bit like on the tail here, I just open it back up, kind of fill it back in. So I'm gonna take these off because like the sides of my face are getting a little irritated. There's like a little redness, so don't put it too close to the side of your face. So I'm gonna take my MAC paint pot and prime my eyes. This stuff you gotta make sure you blend in really well, because if you go to put your eyeshadow on and it's kind of like chunky, it'll stick to those areas. Now I'm just taking some powder, putting that all over my lid to kind of set that tackiness. I don't even know where to start, to be honest with you. Like I don't know what I'm trying to like do here. Take the shade right next to it, which is Naked. Looks like good color payoff, but I'm gonna brush it off and I'm gonna just start applying that in the crease here. Looks like it's a pretty light application, so might have to dip in there a few times. I thought the shade was going to be a lot brighter. These colors look a bit blotchy, like they're not wanting to pick up in the crease. It's kind of a bummer, but we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this Bell shade right here in there. I'm really wanting to like this palette, but girl. Now I'm gonna go in with this pink mauve toned color right here called BFF, and I'm gonna put that all over the lid. For that, I'm gonna be using this brush that came in the Boxy. This is for step 1 for the money. Let's see if this color goes on there better with a more dense brush. But you have to really pack this color on there to get a really good color payoff, because I'm still seeing like the skin tone through it. I do like this brush though. It gets right in the crease. I will say this brush is really nice. It's nice because you can just like pat it right on the lid, and then also you can kind of blend that crease out really well. So this is what it's looking like, you guys. It looks super pretty. It's a lot lighter than like what I usually like to have on. I like to make just like pop. Honestly, the last Purr palette from Boxycharm was kind of like that too, but every palette is different and it's always from a different company. So that's what I love about it. I'm gonna go ahead and use that Double Decker Lash Mascara, and I'm gonna coat my lashes so that they can dry before I put my falsies on. Here's the difference. Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and put on a wing real quick. I went ahead and put my lashes on just now. These are the Rouge and Rogue Miss Fury lashes. I used to say them wrong all the time. I'd be like, Rogue and Rogue? So yeah, this is them. I'm gonna take a little liquid liner and just darken all that glue up. Yes. I'm going to pretty much do the same thing to my lower lash line as I did to the top. I'm gonna be using this brush, this fluffy brush that came with it. It's angled, and I'm gonna use that orange color, the Nakey and Belle, and I'm just gonna put that on the lower lash line, kind of like in the creases of my wrinkles there. Then I'm gonna take that super teeny dense brush, and I'm gonna dip into that pink again, and I'm gonna put that like right on my waterline area. The only thing I would change about this palette is to have it be more pigmented, because I find myself dipping into the pan quite often. Next I'm gonna do my face, and for that I'm gonna use the Dermalogica Primer, Hydra Blur Primer. I'm gonna be using the Farsali Unicorn Drops. I wasn't so sure about this stuff when I first got it, and now I can't stop using it. Now, I just got a new foundation yesterday. Well, it's Lancome, but I got a new color. This is in the color Bisque Neutral 260. I have a feeling it's gonna be very dark. So it is pretty tan, but I plan on getting a lot more tan. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some of the foundation that I do have left for my other one. I'm gonna use it as a little bit of like concealer. And then another thing I got in my Boxycharm from Purr Cosmetics was this Bronze and Brighten palette. I use this every single day. Alright, so our last product from the Boxycharm is this gorgeous blush. I don't want to put on too much because we got a lot of pink going on as it is. Oh, so pretty. So I probably put too much on. I'm just gonna go ahead and powder my face a little bit. I'm not gonna do any highlighter today. I know, who am I? Sometimes the matte look is just better. Now time for some lipstick. I'm gonna use Necromancy Healing Stone. I haven't used this in a hot minute. It's like the perfect nude. Alright you guys, that is it. I had so much fun filming this look. I need to touch this eye up a little bit. I had a watery issue, but it's all good now. Honestly, in this box, I have really no complaints other than the pigment on the eyeshadow, but even then, like, look how pretty it is. So no complaints. Yeah, I freaking love Boxycharm, and every month I'm so excited to get a freaking whole palette and a bunch of brushes and random crap that they put in there. I love it. So like I said, if you guys want one, I have a code for it. If not, you can just keep doing what you do, girl. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you next time. Mwah.